Hey y'all, it's SharonB, LifeBySharonB. Normally I bring you job leads and side hustles, but today I want to talk about the one thing that's keeping so many people stuck: resumes. If you've been applying non-stop and never hearing back, trust me, you're not alone. I've been there, and I know the frustration. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why your resume isn't getting noticed, how hiring systems filter you out, and what changes will finally get you interviews. And stick with me till the end. I'm going to share some secret keyword hacks most job seekers have no clue about. The hidden filter, ATS. Let's start with the biggest barrier, Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. Over 90% of big companies use them. Imagine you send your resume, but instead of a person reading it, a computer scans it first. If you don't have the right keywords, you're automatically rejected before a human ever sees your name. This is why people say things like, "I applied to 50 jobs and heard nothing." It's not because you're not qualified, it's because the software never passed your resume forward. That's the hidden wall most people don't know about. Keywords that matter. So how do you beat the system? It's that literal. This is why you have to mirror the wording in the posting. If it says CRM software, write CRM software. It feels robotic, but this is how the system works. Here's a quick example. Imagine you're applying to a hospital job. The posting says HIPAA compliance. If you don't write the words HIPAA compliance, you're invisible to the software, even if you know all about it. That's the difference keywords make. Formatting mistakes. Now let's talk formatting. Tables, graphics, pictures, they confuse the system. The safest choice is a clean, simple resume with bullet points and standard fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Black text on a white background. Remember, your goal is to get through the filter. But step 1 is being readable by the system. One size fits all doesn't work. Another mistake I see all the time is people sending the same resume everywhere. You can't do that in 2025. Every posting has slightly different skills or priorities. Here's a quick exercise. Grab a job description, highlight the key words, then compare them to your resume. Are they there? If not, that's why you're not hearing back. It takes extra time to tailor each resume, but trust me, it's better to send 10 targeted resumes and get 3 interviews than to send 100 generic ones and get silence. Show results, not tasks. Here's another big reason resumes get skipped: they list duties, not results. Example: answered phone calls, okay, but so did 1,000 other applicants. Instead, write, handled 50+ calls a day with a 95% satisfaction rating. Numbers pop, they show impact. Employers want to see proof you can deliver, not just a list of what your job description said. Don't go anywhere, because the next section is the secret weapon most people forget, and it could be the one thing standing between you and your next interview. The skills section hack. Always include a dedicated skills section at the bottom of your resume. Even if you mention Excel, scheduling, or customer service in your job bullets, repeat them again in the skills list. Why? Because the ATS is scanning for keyword clusters. Think of it as your keyword bank. Add 8 to 12 of the top skills straight from the job description. It makes your resume more searchable and more likely to be passed along to a recruiter. So if your resume isn't getting you interviews, here's the fix. Beat the ATS with the right keywords. Keep your formatting simple, customize for each job. Show results with numbers, not just duties. Drop a comment below if you want me to create a resume template walkthrough in another video, or even a free downloadable template. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell, because I post new job leads, side hustles, and hiring tips every single day. Plus, if you're into delivery or courier gigs, check out my Amazon Delivery Essentials list linked in the description. I'll see you in the next drop.